Alright guys, before you remove the thermostat, remove first this reservoir, and so that you have an access. And then next is the connected in here in the alternator. This one's the alternator, guys. Remove already, and then the mounting of this thermostat. So here, the thermostat is located inside here. Alright. So ayan. So and then remove first the belt. So ang ginawa ko, tinanggal ko yung cap dito sa yung bilog dito sa water pump. Yan, water pump. Ayan, kulay gatas pa rin. So that's it.